ARTMS. Blue blood visualizer. My God, I can't read. Stay in school, kids. Let's check this out. Let me see if captions. Ooh, her eyes are blue as hell. They just flashed the shit out of me. Oh, the white eyelashes. Ooh, the blue eyelashes though. Okay. Hold on tight. Fly. Oh wait, they are vibe. I love the blue right now. I love the blue and the blonde hair. My God, is she trying to get inside? She is. Hey. In the dark. Damn, this is a vibe actually. If I was in a club, I'm a little lit, little tipsy. I know they be doing those ARTMS like little things, like club like events. I like to go to one. I think I was invited, but I was busy. But I'd like to go to another one. God damn, the amount of visuals. They doing a subliminal message. I already know. It's like Y2K vibe type of editing. Oh, okay. That savior part. Okay, hold up. Not her eating it up as usual. 3, 2, 1, get it. Who edited this? My God, that was crazy. I don't know if it's a good way or a trippy way. Oh, she is serving as usual. Hey. See, that already got me hypnotized. I'm starting to go to the beat, move and wave my body too. And they disappear. ARTMS, everybody. God damn. Fuck. From the beginning, God. Let me see. Hell nah, bro. They got me tripping with that. You know, it gives me the vibe of like the music I used to listen to when I was a lot younger. Because like this type of vibe, I was all about it. I don't know if I can keep up anymore, but maybe with ARTMS I can. Put the comments down below what you guys think of ARTMS's blue blood visualizer. My God, blue blood, what a name. Love the blue, by the way. I think it's cute. I've been getting into my blues and greens as well, and loving it. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.